There are reports that U.S. officials have asked for bilateral talks with its NAFTA partners. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with the latest. So, Hayley, any response from Ottawa?
We've heard a fairly firm response from Ottawa that Canada is not going to entertain any sort of bilateral talks with the U.S. on this file. Now, one of the elements that's sort of missed in this announcement from the States is that President Trump did say he doesn't intend to withdraw from NAFTA, though the U.S. is pushing fairly hard to see separate bilateral talks with Canada and Mexico. The question is, if the U.S. wants this approach and doesn't get it, where does that leave the renegotiation of NAFTA? These talks have been stalled on a number of major sticking points that the three countries can't seem to get past. Auto rules, a sunset clause at the heart of those discussions. And over the past week, we've also seen Mexico move to slap $3 billion worth of tariffs on U.S. goods. Canada also entertaining a number of duties on American products. So tensions are escalating, and there's no clear path forward to coming up with a renewed NAFTA that meets everyone's needs.
All right. In another story that might have a lot of people that have Netflix or other streaming services interested is that the Liberals are looking to regulate streaming services, and this could mean more Canadian content for people?
It could. We'll see what a review panel struck by Ottawa recommends. But over the next year and a half, they're going to look to modernize Canada's broadcast and telecommunications laws, much needed in a very different digital age. At the core, Ottawa is going to be looking at ensuring that services remain affordable for Canadians. So it's not looking to impose taxes that would then just simply get moved or pushed onto Canadian consumers. It's also looking to ensure that net neutrality persists, so Canadians have fair access to all kinds of content. But we could very well see something like a Netflix tax emerge from this. We could also see maybe companies like Netflix, Facebook, or YouTube required to support Canadian content. We'll see what the panel comes up with, but we're looking at a year from now for the earliest recommendations.
All right, Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver on this Wednesday. Thanks, Hayley.
Thanks.